Welcome to ICP-USA's Unboxing Automation Series. Today we're unboxing the DL-300 series, a powerful line of intelligent data loggers built for real-time indoor air quality monitoring. Be sure to check the caption below for upcoming webinar dates and explore more data automation solutions at icpdas-usa.com. The DL-300 series features a large 2.8-inch LCD touchscreen that displays multiple air quality parameters simultaneously. You get real-time readings for carbon monoxide, CO, carbon dioxide, CO2, temperature, -10 to 50 degrees Celsius, relative humidity, and dew point, calculated in real time. It includes an NDIR sensor for accurate CO2 measurement and an electrochemical sensor for CO measurements. Data is with time and date stamped, and the module can store up to 450,000 records. The DL-300 series has models which support RS-485, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and PoE communication interfaces, allowing easy integration with HMIs, SCADA systems, or remote monitoring networks. The DL-300 series has models which support Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, DCON, and MQTT protocols, making it ready for industrial IoT applications. You can access data using the free DL-300 utility or from your phone using the iOS or Android app, as long as your device is on the same local network. Setup and configuration can be done through the intuitive touchscreen or via a web browser. It even supports multilingual on-screen messages. You can also trigger audible or visual alerts using the built-in relay output, which supports 30 volts DC or 250 volts AC, loads up to 16 amps. The free DL-300 utility lets you configure modules, monitor real-time data, group and manage multiple devices, export logs to CSV for easy analysis. There are 3 models in the series: DL-301, CO, temp, humidity, dew point; DL-302, CO2, temp, humidity, dew point; DL-303, all-in-one, CO, CO2, temp, humidity, dew point. Accessories include industrial Ethernet switches like the NS-205 and PoE models like NS-205 PSC, plus DIN rail power supplies and USB to RS-485 converters. The DL-300 series is ideal for food and pharmaceutical transportation, blood banks and pharmacies, smart building automation, food and beverage industry, warehouse management, museums, archives, and galleries. Anywhere air quality data matters, the DL-300 delivers reliable insight. For real-time monitoring, data logging, and IoT-ready integration, the DL-300 series is a smart, compact solution you can trust. Discover more and download specs at www.icpdas-usa.com. Subscribe to unbox more automation only from ICPDAS USA.